Great, thanks. Hey, my name is Vaughn. Thank you all for letting me be a part of this. We're just going to start out. I'm going to pass out some bingo cards. And the winners will get prizes, so it should be fun and cool. Here you go. So as I play the slide, and then as you guys see these signs, then go ahead and just cross out whichever ones you see. And we're going to start out correcting the quiz that you guys did today. Did everybody get a chance to finish it? Okay. So we're going to start with number 1. Did anybody not finish it, by the way? Okay. How far did you get? 12? So, that's fine. Just follow along from where you're at. So, number 1, you must pass the knowledge, vision, and road tests to get your Minnesota license. True or false?
True.
True, yep. That's correct. Number 2, a driver from another state has to take the road test to get a Minnesota driver's license. True or false? False. But the only time it might be true is if it's a driver coming from another country. But yeah, from another state, they don't need to. Number 3, if you forget your identification documents when you go do your knowledge test, you will be allowed to take the test if you bring it at a later time. True or false? False. You need your documents with you at all times. So make sure you remember that when you go take your test. Number 4, as long as you're only 15 minutes late to class, you'll still get credit.
False.
True or false? No, false. Always try to be on time. Number 5, the provisional license is valid for 2 years. True or false?
True.
Yeah, that's true. Number 6, everyone in your vehicle must wear a seatbelt when you're driving. True or false?
True.
True. Yep. Always make sure everyone's wearing a seatbelt. Number 7, if you're under 18, your parent can have the state withdraw your driving privileges. True or false? Yep. That's true. Number 8, safety is only useful when driving on country roads. True or false? False. That's right. And then number 9, if you lose your instruction permit, you must retake the knowledge test. True or false?
False.
That's correct. So, yeah, if you physically lose it, not if it gets taken from you for other reasons. But number 10, the 3-second rule applies to normal driving conditions. True or false? True. Yep, that's true. Number 11, you can use a cell phone in Safeway's class as long as you have written permission from your parents. True or false?
False.
That's false. Can't use your phone while in class. Number 12, after you reach the age of 21, your license expires every how many years? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 7? Yep, B, every 4 years. Number 13, what number must you supply in your permit application? A, school ID number, B, GPA number, C, telephone number, or D, social security number? Yep, D, social security number. 14, who must drive with you when you have your instruction permit? A friend, who's 21 or older, B, a parent, C, a guardian, or D, all the above as long as they're a licensed driver. Yep, D. Number 15, what test must you pass when renewing your license? A, your knowledge test, B, vision test, C, knowledge and vision test, or D, vision test and road test?
B.
Say B? Yep, that's correct. So you only need to do your vision test every time you renew your license. Number 16, the third step of SIPD is A, preserve, B, predict, C, positive, or D, prepare. B, predict, right? Number 17, if you're under 18, you must present your white card to the examiner at the time of your road test and the following: A, instruction permit, B, insurance card, C, supervised driving log, or D, all the above?
D.
Yep, D, all the above. Number 18, at 60 miles per hour, your 3-second space cushion will be A, the same distance as it is at 10 miles per hour, B, a greater distance than at 10 miles per hour, C, a shorter distance than at 10 miles per hour, or D, it really depends on traffic. Yep. B, that's right, a greater distance than 10 miles per hour. Number 19, if you fail the road test, you must, or you may retake it after A, 3 days, B, 1 additional behind the wheel lesson, C, you've had enough time to improve your driving, or D, a parent or guardian represents that you are ready.
C.
Yep, C, that's correct. After you've had time to prepare to improve your driving. Number 20, commentary driving is A, verbalizing the SIPD process as you drive, B, illegal, C, the same as talking on the phone, or D, the law.
A.
Yep, it's A, verbalizing the SIPD process as you drive. Number 21, after the provisional license, you may qualify for A, a Class A license, B, a regular adult license, C, a Class D license, or D, an unrestricted license. Yeah, C, Class D license. Number 22, how long is the instruction permit valid? A, until the age of 18, B, until replaced by a provisional license, C, 1 year, or D, 2 years.
D.
Not quite, D. Yeah, D, 2 years. Number 23, which 3-second gap is bigger? A, a truck compared to a car. B, a vehicle going 30 miles per hour. C, a vehicle going 60 miles per hour. Or D, none of the above. All 3-second gaps are the same size.
C.
Yep, it's C, a vehicle going 60 miles per hour. Number 24, a parent or guardian must sign a driving log which demonstrates that you have driven at least blank hours and that at least blank of those hours were at night. Is that E, 30 and 10, and 25 and 10 with a parent certificate? F, 40 and 15, and 35 and 10 with a parent certificate? G, 50 and 15, 40 and 15 with a parent certificate? Or H, 40 and 10, and 30 and 10 with a parent certificate?
G.
Yep, G. Number 25, it's important to check your blind spot because A, everyone does it. B, a vehicle could be hiding there. C, it's good to stretch your neck muscles. Or D, it's only important if you're driving a truck.
B.
Yep, B, right? Might be a car there. And then the short answer, what is the purpose of the GDL system? Anyone know what GDL stands for? Yep, graduated driver's license. And what's the purpose of it? Anyone have an idea? Well, it's to help inexperienced drivers become a driver. And what are the steps of the Minnesota graduated driver's licensing system? Does anyone know?
Having your permit for at least 6 months before your license.
Right, that's one of the steps. Any other steps you guys know? Well, this is one of them, right? Taking your 30 hours of classroom. And then you get your blue card after that. You guys know what comes next?
You drive for 50 hours.
You take your permit test next. Oh yeah, you drive. Yep, and you drive your 50 hours. And then yep, you have to have a clean driving record for 6 months. Yep, and the road and vision test. And you take your 6 hours of behind the wheel. And then after your test, you get your Class D license. So great. How did everybody do? Okay. Well, yeah, you guys will get better at that, and definitely study what you didn't get. You guys will definitely see these on the test, on your written test. So today we're going to go over signs, signs that you see in the road, and this is kind of what we're going to cover. What are the 3 categories of signs? What are the colors and shapes? And what's the difference between the signs that appear to be similar? So, we're going to first watch this video.
If everyone went in the same direction,